Hi guys, so from this heat transfer equation, full explanation and the description, the required time needed to heat this water tank from initial to final temperature via a heat source is the mass of the water inside the tank multiplied by the specific heat capacity of water and the temperature difference divided by the heating capacity. Now let's look at the example over here. So suppose we have a standard 50 gallons of water tank, which is about 190 liters, and we want to heat it from 20 to 60 degrees Celsius, which is about from 68 to 140 Fahrenheit, using a heat pump delivering 2 kilowatts of heating capacity. So the time needed is 190 kilograms, since the water density is close to 1 kilogram per liter, and this is the specific heat capacity of water multiplied by the temperature difference and divided by the heat capacity of the heat pump. So in ideal conditions, it will take around 4 hours and 25 minutes to heat the entire tank. In the real world, the heating time may be slightly longer because the tank loses heat to the surrounding. That's why engineers usually apply a safety margin around 10 to 15%. So realistically, the heating time could be about closer to 5 hours, depending on the ambient condition and the tank insulation. You can download the Excel calculation I prepare for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye.